There once was a man named Tom who had been struggling with addiction for many years. He had lost his job, his family, and his friends due to his drug and alcohol abuse. One day, Tom hit rock bottom. He found himself alone in a dirty alley with nothing but the clothes on his back and a bottle of whiskey in his hand. He knew that he needed help, but he didn't know where to turn. After wandering the streets for hours, Tom stumbled upon a church. He walked inside and was greeted by a group of kind and welcoming people. They listened to his story and offered to help him get back on his feet. Tom was skeptical at first, but he decided to give it a chance. He started attending meetings at the church and talking to other recovering addicts who had been through similar struggles. He also began attending therapy sessions and working with a sponsor who had been sober for many years. Over time, Tom began to see the light at the end of the tunnel. He started to regain his sense of self-worth and learned healthy coping mechanisms to deal with stress and anxiety. He discovered that he had a talent for art and began painting as a way to express himself. With the support of his new community and the tools he had learned in therapy, Tom was able to overcome his addiction. He found a job and reconnected with his family and friends. He even started his own art business and became a successful artist. Years later, Tom stood in front of the same church where he had first found hope. He looked back on his journey with pride and gratitude. He knew that he had come a long way, but he also knew that he had to stay committed to his sobriety every day. And with the support of his community, he knew that he could overcome any challenge that came his way.